So I will show you guys when you have a problem. If you press the ignition and you try to start it, it will flash orange and it will go back. That's your power source, which is this guy. I took this out of it thinking that I can detect where the problem is, but I couldn't see it. But then I went and I purchased one with exactly the same part numbers. They all match. Now the car runs and starts fine, but I also have to replace my starter because that's the first issue was. And to get to it, this guy actually line up all the way down there. So you have to remove your glove compartment and airbag, and you have to remove the plastic over here. And the code